Okay, sir. Now, let's describe naman po yung first week natin on the floor at your US facility. So, syempre, kabado ka niyan. First day of work pa.
Yes po, sa akin is I am the first Filipino in my facility, so talagang nakakakaba and also excited to learn a lot in the workplace. So mabuti lang naman kasi the people or my co-workers are very kind. They teach me talaga kung ano ang kailangan matutunan. Yan. They guide me throughout the shift. Ah, ang ano lang talaga is magtanong ka kung hindi mo alam, magtanong ka lang and yeah, they will be there for you.
Sir Ronald, skilled nursing facility din yung facility mo, right?
Yes po.
Oo. Kamusta naman, sir? Kamusta yung setup nung skilled nursing facility? And yung difference nung work or job mo dito sa Pilipinas?
Yeah, it's very different kasi here we used to work like 12 hours a day, but it is binibigay yeah, ang ibinibigay sa akin is 3 days in a week. So malaki talaga yung vacant time mo. But also they will give you hours to pick up. Like kung gusto mong magdagdag ng oras, you can have it. Kaya kung gusto mong mag-overtime, talagang maraming oras and yun. Kung gusto mo naman ng more time with your family, pwede din. Yeah. Uh, it's a work balance talaga. Work-life balance.
And is your clinical expertise evolved since nung nag-join ka sa current team mo ngayon, yung rehab facility mo?
Yes, kasi ibang-iba yung like for example the documentation. So in the Philippines we use writing, we use papers. But here all electronics, computers. So if you do some procedures or giving medications, automatic agad you have to sign in computers. Parang ganun. Parang walang makalimutan. So at the end of the shift, hindi at the end of the shift mayroong endorsement. In the Philippines matagal bago matapos, but dito pagkatapos ng shift mo endorse lang ng kaunti, then all done. Wala nang hassle kasi you've already signed all the procedures that you've done kasi nasa computer na.
So magaan din ng
Yeah.
Yun lang yung maganda.
trabaho.
Oo.
Then Sir Ronald, tanong ko lang din, ilang pasyente yung hinahandle mo? Kada araw ba? Tama, kada araw.
Yeah, in my facility po, there are 3 units. So yung facility is ang 3 units. The 2 units is for long term and the 1 unit is for rehab. So yung rehab is yung mga galing ng hospital na meron lang mga medications na itatapos. So usually yung ratio doon is pinakamalaki na yung 20. So 1:20, parang ganun. But in the long term care, medyo marami yung ratio doon. 1:40. Pero hindi naman ganun kano kasi more on PO meds lang. Kaso na madami. Kailangan lang talaga ng time management.
Time management.
And yeah. So sa facility rin is so we need more nurses. Kaya nga sana magpadala pa si
Si Grande
sana
Son.
magpadala pa si Grandison ng maraming nurses sa aking facility. So meron ng bagong nakarating Filipino, si Erickson from Canada siya at na-deploy siya dito. Yeah. From Grandison din.
Kasama mo na, nakita mo na sa facility mo, sir?
Yeah, we meet tapos tinulungan ko rin siya na makahanap ng apartment. So he's living near here sa apartment din namin.
Grabe,
Oo.
no? Tayo-tayo
So,
tutulungan.
soon siguro
may
pwede rin
Filipino
natin
na
siya.
akong kasama.
Soon makakasama din natin siya for online kwentuhan din
Oo, chikahan. At yung
Chikahan.
experience niya, nung ikaw naman po yung nag-help sa
sa
kanya,
kanya.
during his
Correct.
transition
Yes po.
period, talaga naman.
Oo.
Palakpakan
Tulungan
natin.
lang.
Totoo naman.
Sobrang galing. Grabe ang mga Pinoy talaga. Okay.
And then, let's talk about naman, sir, the grandest career. So, when we talk about grandest career, we mean more than just a job. We mean more than just a promise,
Yes.
but we let our nurses experience what can US is really about. So, in what ways has this move allowed you to grow as a leader in nursing? Na-mention mo nga, sir, kanina na parang you are working as a leader of your own,
Mhm.
no? There you go, sir.
Yes po, working here in the US is very, very different from working in the Philippines. Like, when you are working in a unit, you have people to handle, and those people are parang tumitingin sa'yo at parang kung ano ang desisyon mo, parang sinusunod ka nila. So, you should be a leader, a good leader, so that the unit will work and para maging maayos yung trabaho. So, malilearn mo talaga na um, kung paano maging leader, and you should decide and be parang mag-ano ka sa sarili mo na um, you have to decide and do not doubt yourself, parang ganon. And do not be afraid to ask your colleagues or your people kung ano ang mga needs para din naman maging maayos yung kung ano ang magiging decision mo sa workplace. Ganon.
And Sir Ronald, now that you are settled no diyan sa Amerika, how has your success changed the lives of your family na ngayon kasama mo na diyan?
Right.
Diba? And also yung pamilya mo din sa Pilipinas.
Yeah, here in US, so nandito yung wife and two kids ko. So for now, yung mga kids, they're doing online class para kasi September pa yung pasukan, so they will be enrolled in the next level. So my wife too, she is pregnant, and
Wow.
yeah, she's pregnant now, and
Wow.
Congratulations.
Congratulations!
ang mabuti lang naman is madali lang makakuha ng health insurance, and that health insurance is free pa. So, yun. Mas mapoprovide ko sa kanya yung mga needs, and there are a lot of what we call this parang program na maa-avail namin para makatulong sa yung habang buntis siya at hanggang sa mga anak siya. So, that is very quite helpful for us here. So, to our family naman sa Philippines, so um we parang masaya kami kasi we will be able to help financially, parang kung mayroong mga needs doon, nakakatulong na din kami.
Oh,
Yun po.
that's good. Tsaka add ko lang partner, ang swerte rin nung anak niya.
Yes!
Kasi mas nauna pang naging citizen sa kanya. Sa'yo, sir.
Grabe, napakaswerte.
Yun nga, we have already two boys, so we're hoping for a
A girl.
Mm.
yeah.
Iba ba?
Na yung girl na mauna pang maging citizen. Di ba? Tama ba, partner?
Totoo.
Tama, no?
Totoo. Congratulations, sir.
Congratulations,
Grabe,
sir.
hindi lang
Rona.
career
So,
advancement, no?
grabing blessings.
Yes.
Ang talagang
Umaapaw ngayon at
Umaapaw.
binibigay kay sir. Hindi lang
Correct.
career advancement, kundi family advancement.
Yes.
Grabe, ang laking factor nung yung free insurance. Ang laking tulong nun. Especially for someone na yan, nagta-transition ka pa lang, meron kang ma-add sa family mo, and that's a great relief. No? Kaya sa mga viewers din natin, Sir Ronald, no, na nakikinig at gusto din nilang dalhin yung pamilya nila,
Diba?
isang magandang news ito na
Correct.
talaga merong extended support ang US, no? Ang US na ang benefit nun. Okay, sir. So, looking back, sir, yung building dreams mo at ng wife mo, ng family nyo, what does that mean to you now that you are living yours already? Parang nananaginip ka pa ba, sir?
Yeah, parang I feel like, is it a dream or parang unbelievable, but we're here. We are already living the life that we once dreamed. Parang ganun. Ninanamnam na namin yung mga pangarap namin noon.
Mm-mm.
Yung nilaga, 'di ba? Kasi
Yes.
nagtiyaga ka na. Kasi totoo nga yun, pag
Oo.
may tiyaga, may nilaga. Which is yan na yung na-experience mo, Sir Ronald.
Mm-mm.
So, Sir Ronald, for those nurses, physical therapists, and occupational therapists listening who are still in the grit phase, no, yung mga hindi pa makapag-decide or nagdadalawang isip if they will still continue their American dream, no? So, ano po ang bibigay mong advice, no, para sa kanila na keep moving or ituloy lang nila yung goal nila na makapag-Amerika.
Yes po, for those who are still there in the Philippines, um, they have to act now so
Mm.
that they can live the life that they dream. Yun po, umpisahan na nila para bukas, makakamtan nila yung mga pangarap nila. So, just trust the process and everything will go to its place talaga.
Mm-mm.
So, trust lang and with Grandison, talagang um, malaking tulong and less hassle yung mga process na gagawin.
Masigit ko lang, sir. So, syempre, nandoon naman na tayo sa tanong na kung ano yung pwede nating i-impart sa mga naghihintay at nagdadalawang isip because of what's happening right now. Now, you for those nurses, sir, na ayaw na nilang i-practice ang pagiging nurse.
At ayaw na nilang i-pursue.
Ayaw na nilang i-pursue ang kanilang profession as a nurse. Rather, they enter different industry. And
Yes.
syempre, when we say a nurse is a calling. It's a service. And that's something na hindi mo maaalis sa puso mo, hahanap-hanapin mo eh. For those nurses, sir, na I know, sir, you can relate kasi talagang you've been in the nursing field for how many years already. For those na ayaw na nila sa field nila at iba na lang yung industriya na gustong pasukin, ano po yung pwede nyong masabi sa kanila?
Yes.
They should grab the opportunity kung makakapunta sila dito because maraming opportunity talaga dito sa US and um, the salary is promising and yung yung oras mo talagang you can parang kung ano ang gusto mo sa oras ng trabaho, time management, talagang nandun. If parang work balance is there kahit na nagtatrabaho sila as a nurse. So talagang okay talaga dito sa United States when it comes to that.
So last na question na to.
Ah.
Before tayo pumunta dun sa ating exciting and fun part, so medyo kasi serious natin sa
Oo,
una,
serious.
medyo heartfelt,
Very,
talaga
yes.
naman very blessed tayo na marinig yung story ni Sir Ronald. So last na, sir, na question natin. Ano yung isang bagay na kapag tinanong ka ng kapwa mo nurse o ng isang Filipino nurse after nitong interview natin, ano yung isang bagay na nagpapasalamat ka kay Grandison?
Of course, sa pagtulong sa akin and sa kanilang retention program na talagang hindi nila ako iniwan kahit nag-retrogression. And also, when I was deployed here in the United States, talagang nandyan sila sa pagbukas ng bangko, sa housing, sa transportation. Talagang hindi ka na ma-hassle kasi they will provide all of that. And I'm thankful for that.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Grabe, ang
And
dami
siguro
ng...
yung promise din, or yung promise din ni Grandison na once you start your US application under Grandison, ang main goal ni Grandison is ma-deploy lahat ng magtitiwala sa kanya.
Yun po. Talagang hindi ka iiwan. From the start na nag-sign ka, kahit na hanggang sa ma-deploy ka, is nandyan pa rin sila. They will always contact you, um, communicate you, they will ask you, how are you, parang ganon. Kinukumusta ka nila, kung okay ka lang ba. Yun.
Correct. And
Talagang napakalaking tulong.
siguro din partner, sa mga nurses na nanonood din sa atin, and syempre, nakikita nga nila yung journey ni Sir Ronald na nandun na sa Amerika. We cannot promise na since nasa Amerika na si Sir Ronald, talagang smooth ang magiging journey niya ngayon na nandyan na sa Amerika. Siguro, may mga tawag dito, may mga konting bumps din, no? Sa ano. But again, at least, ang pinaka main goal talaga ni Grandison is matulungan lahat ng nurses na magtitiwala sa kanya at ma-deploy siya or ma-deploy yung mga nurses papuntang Amerika at mabigyan ng magandang kinabukasan ang mga pamilya.
Yes.
Diba?
Yan.
Yes po.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Grabe, ang dami nating napulot from your story. Real inspiring and super relatable. But this time, sir, let's shift gears a little
Yes.
from deep stories
Para
to
na
something a
lose
bit
ng konti.
more fun. All right, everyone, time for our espresso-style rapid fire quick answers. Let's start, partner.
Okay, so let's start. For your first question, Sir Ronald, what is your first American meal you had after landing?
Burger and fries.
Burger and fries.
Burger.
Rocky
Oh,
Filler.
parang si Ma'am Abby lang din.
Ay.
Burger and fries.
So, compare natin yung burger at ng Philippines
Oo,
sa
burger.
ibang bansa. Sige nga, sir.
Mas
Ano
malaki.
pinagkaiba?
I think mas malaki.
Malaki yung, kaya yung serving nila nito talagang overflowing. Mabubusog ka talaga.
Mabubusog talaga.
Parang good for 2 days.
Oo.
Ganun.
So, gusto natin yung talagang malalaki yung big serving.
Yeah. Love that. Okay, next. What's the one thing you always keep in your scrubs pocket?
Scrub pack.
Yeah, I have my blood pressure, Chris, yung sa race na blood pressure,
Oh.
yung maliit.
Okay.
Kasi doing medications, there are some medication na kailangan i-check mo yung blood pressure. So, andun lang talaga palagi yun.
Pagka-administer, kailangan i-check.
Yun. Most of the medications is like that.
Grabe, partner, napansin ko iba-iba sila.
Pero,
No, yung last interview namin, ballpen.
ballpen.
Hindi nawawala. Si Sir naman ngayon is yung, ano yan?
Yung BP risk
Okay.
bandang. Very
So,
digital.
That's perfect. Okay, so for your last question, sir, if your journey with us so far were a coffee drink, no, which would it be?
Coffee drink, do I need to name a
At
Brand?
flavor, okay lang mag
Brand?
flavor Americano, caramel macchiato, mocha.
Mm-mm.
I would say mocha.
Mocha.
Parang anong tawag nito? Medyo may pait na may sweetness, parang ganun.
Yes. Okay.
Balance.
Balanse. Oo,
Balance, parang ganun.
Nakakapampabuhay sa maraming pasyente. No, Sir Ronald?
I can totally see that. No? Sa process pa lang ni Sir, mocha din naman talaga eh. May sweetness, may bitterness, pero balance eh. Alam ni Sir kung paano niya lalaruin yung proseso at kung paano niya i-discipline yung sarili niya na I can focus, eto lang yung kape ko, mocha lang yung kape ko. Hindi mo ko kailangan bigyan ng Amerikano para
Oo.
tumapang o maging bitter o mag-stop. But I am a mocha nurse. Mocha
So
nurse.
definitely that's the kind of energy we love, no? Very strong and full of flavor. So just like your story, no?
I think that wraps up our interview, Sir Ronald. Thank you so much for being here. Before we end, do you have any last message sa ating Filipino viewers, o global viewers?
For all the viewers, Filipinos, nurses, if you have dream in coming here in the United States, so you should act now to do it now and choose Grandison because everything will be smooth and at ease during the process.
And secured. Siguro. Di ba, sir?
Gusto mo po magpahagi?
Very secure.
Yes. Katabi ba natin si wife Jan, sir?
Yeah, she's here.
Wow. Baka pwede naman po siyang sumilip ng konti.
Oo.
Di ba? Mag-hi sa ating mga viewers.
Yes.
Ayan, nasaan po?
Ito na.
Hi, ma'am! Congratulations po!
Kagwapa.
Oh, ilang months na tayo, ma'am?
5 months.
5 months.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Grabe.
For your
Thank you.
US citizen daughter.
Yeah, mali pa si daughter na yan.
Oo.
Daughter na yan.
Daughter na. Kamusta mamang buhay Amerika?
Okay lang po. Masaya. Kasama buong pamilya.
Buong pamilya.
Mm-mm.
Yes. Thank you, Grandison.
Thank you rin po, Sir Ronald. Ma'am,
Kathy po.
Ma'am Cathy, Sir Ronald, Ma'am Cathy, maraming salamat po for trusting Grandeson USA for your American dream. No, and
Thank you
sana
so
po ay tawag dito, ano ba? Sana po ay nawala na yung
Sana po ay dumami pa kayo.
dumami pa kayo at okay. So for
I think yun lang. Kasi
I
ito
think
natin
yun
record.
na. So, that's our amazing story today. So, yeah. Maraming salamat, no? For,
Maraming salamat, Sir Ronald
yes,
and
Ronald
Miss Cathy.
And Miss Cathy. And mag-ingat po tayo dyan. And
Yes.
good luck po. And yes, sana po, baby girl na.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Maraming
Kayo.
salamat po.